Hey guys, what's going on? Just back here, we just got the new chain today. Pretty sweet. I had to use a different bar, so I jimmy rigged a 20-inch bar from an old chainsaw I had. I just randomly had it. I just had to grind out the holes, and I got a new chain on it, guys. It's a skip tooth. It's full chisel, so I mean this should be like 5 times better than the last one, guys. So I'm super excited. We're gonna get it fired up right here. Do a couple rounds for you, and then yeah, I'll probably cut right through here. I'm gonna get rid of this piece of shit here. A couple of these. We're just gonna do a couple, guys, and hopefully this goes good. Chain's a little loose. It's okay. We got safety gear, right? Okay. Guys, that's awesome. McCulloch 250, guys, 50 bucks. I had to pay premium for the chain, that was 30. But I mean, guys, this thing's awesome. And you don't know until you run an old saw, guys. The way they sound is amazing. Like, you just can't beat it. Highly suggest, guys, if you ever see one online, scoop it up quick, guys. Make sure it's got spark. That's one of the main things. These coil packs go bad sometimes. Make sure it's got good spark. And then the carb's usually pretty easy. The diaphragm stuff. I got videos on that kind of stuff, guys, but full skip tooth chain, guys, it's pretty much as aggressive as I can get on this. And I mean, this thing pulled, guys. Torquey. Super excited, guys. Awesome video. I'm gonna put this back later, guys, and go have some fun. Night, guys.